Sick of those pesky ads? What you need is an ad blocker. What's an ad blocker? It's a browser extension that serves as a multi-purpose tool that can remove ads, speed up your browser, and even provide enhanced security. And the best part is, installing one is fast and simple. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install one in Chrome and Edge. Let's start with Chrome. First, Google the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the store, search for an ad blocking extension of your choice. We'll go with one of the most reputable options called uBlock Origin. It's an open source extension that has been installed by over 10 million users in Chrome. So search for the ad extension and then click on the one you want. Press Add to Chrome. In the pop-up, select Add Extension. And there you have it. It's just as easy in Edge. First search uBlock Origin. Then press Edge Add-on Store. Now click the blue Get button in the right corner. In the pop-up window, press Add Extension. You could also download the Brave browser. This browser has a built-in ad blocker, so you never even have to worry about extensions. No matter which you choose, having an ad blocker is essential to keep your devices protected. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to VISTECH for more helpful tech tips.